Window seals going bad because of sun damage is super common, but swapping them out for UV-resistant ones can totally save your windows and your wallet. So, first off, if you notice your windows getting drafty or foggy, it's probably the seals wearing down from the sun beating on them all day. You want to check seals regularly, especially on windows that catch a lot of sunlight. When it's time to replace, look for seals made with UV-resistant materials like silicone or specially treated rubber because they hold up way better under harsh sun. Before putting new seals in, clean the window edges real good to help the new ones stick tight and last longer. Don't rush the job. Take your time to measure seals exactly so they fit perfectly without gaps. If you're not sure how to do it, plenty of online tutorials can walk you through replacing window seals step by step. Keep an eye out for cheap seals. They might save cash up front but won't last, so spending a bit more now saves headaches later. And finally, consider adding window film or exterior shades to reduce direct UV exposure and protect your seals even more. One of the biggest mistakes with window seal replacement is using regular rubber that looks cheap but fades quickly under UV rays. Switching to UV-resistant silicone fixes that issue. Another problem is not cleaning the surface where the seal goes, which makes the new seal peel off fast. A thorough cleaning with rubbing alcohol or a similar cleaner solves this. Lastly, people often eyeball the measurements and end up with poorly fitting seals that let air and moisture through. Grab a tape measure and cut with precision to avoid this problem. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know their stuff when it comes to window repairs and replacements. At the same time, it gives contractors a way to connect with people ready to get work done, making the whole process smoother for everyone.